What if aging wasn't permanent? What if your cells, just like your phone battery, could be recharged? Scientists may have discovered a way to literally refuel the powerhouse of your cells, potentially reversing the damage behind aging, degenerative diseases, and even restoring dying tissues. Inside every cell are tiny engines called mitochondria. They power everything you do, thinking, breathing, moving. But like any battery, they wear out. Age, stress, injury, and diseases slowly drain them until cells begin to fail. Free radicals, inflammation, toxic drugs, and natural aging break down mitochondria. When mitochondria malfunction, cells glitch. This contributes to neurodegeneration, heart issues, metabolic disorders, and overall aging itself. At Texas A&M University, biomedical engineer Akhilesh Gaharwar and his team may have found the key to rebuilding lost mitochondria. Their goal? Not just repairing cells, but recharging them. Healthy cells can donate mitochondria to damaged ones, but this natural repair system is weak and inefficient. It's like being able to share your phone battery with a friend, but only giving them 3%. The team created tiny biomaterial structures called nanoflowers, made from molybdenum disulfide. These flowers stimulate stem cells to grow way more mitochondria than normal, up to double. Scientists implanted these nanoflowers into human mesenchymal stem cells, which are already great at transferring mitochondria. Supercharged with extra mitochondria, these donor cells became powerful energy givers. When placed near damaged cells, the boosted stem cells transferred mitochondria rapidly through special cellular tunnels. Even weak, failing cells absorbed the new mitochondria, and their energy returned. Researchers tested smooth muscle cells in blood vessels, cells that need constant energy for blood pressure control. The new mitochondria didn't just recharge them, they altered their transcriptomy, activating genes for healthier metabolism. This breakthrough could help treat neurodegeneration, cardiovascular disease, metabolic disorders, and early-stage degenerative conditions. It could one day slow aging, or even reverse its cellular damage. The method hasn't been tried in living animals or humans yet. Animal trials are next, but the potential is massive. If successful, this technology could become a universal therapy for repairing mitochondrial dysfunction. Imagine replacing aging batteries in your cells whenever you need to. Aging might never disappear, but for the first time, science has a roadmap to reverse the internal breakdown that causes it. And it all begins with tiny nanoflowers, teaching our cells how to recharge themselves again.